Climb inside the 2008 Hyundai Tiburon. This two-door, four-passenger coupe has not yet reached the 50,000-kilometer mark. Hyundai made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Hyundai are offered, including a tachometer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, rear wipers, and much more. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.